Is this thing on? Now I'm playing. Listen, y'all, it's raining, but we going to a car meet, man. I've been to a car meet all day, so hopefully it don't rain as bad. Chat, y'all comment down which car y'all like the best, man. As y'all can see my baby right here. Look at that mud, sexy red Corvette. I'll be going with some friends. So yeah, man, I'll let y'all know how it is. Y'all stay tuned. So let's get to the video. Let's go. And don't forget to like that video, man. What are y'all doing, bro? Chat. So I didn't know that a fight was gonna go down in here. It's a car meet and a fight going down. It's like a ring or something. So hopefully they let me bring the camera in. If they don't, I'm actually gonna be kind of pissed. So yeah, man, I actually just got here. It was like 8 minutes from my crib. Like we got people. He put me on low key. He said the park was like $10. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes, man. That mud clean, my boy. That was clean in a bitch. Bro, so basically so far, bro, everybody just like bringing their cars out and shit. Like everybody just bringing their cars out. I don't know if I want to go to MMA fight because that will say $50, so we gonna see, bro. So far, a few cars popping in. Let's see how what this mud look like. Like a few of these, like you got cars, it's like filling up. My car like all the way back there. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know. Let y'all know what goes on. All right. Look how loud this man car is so loud. This man car is so loud. We gotta go over there.
So down at a time like this, when I'm high like this. On the billboard charts, when you made your tools in my hands, when I'm high like this. You know the pain that I might miss. So the way that it seems me, reach me to breathe me, keep in the brain, that's how I like it. Because my mind is round. In the race of psyche, I just sit out of sight. I'm not even rocking, so I should be high, cause my life is so rock and roll.
Oh yeah, that mud nice. Nice car, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this probably one of my favorite cars right here. This man got butterfly doors. He just had the. Dang, bro. That mud clean, man.
Appreciate it.
That man got this blue and clean. This blue and clean too. Hey, we gonna get our car like this, man. Wait, can you tell me what you did to it?
Huh?
Y'all tell me what y'all did to it?
It's a 2005 Nissan 350Z. It's a base model. It's got the baby BQ engine. It's slow.
No, it's not slow.
But rebuilt top end, full bolt-on tune by admin.
Dang.
Pretty much anything that I can do to it without boosting it and building it right now. Yeah, it's.
How long you had it for?
Just over 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get a look. Dang, for 2 years, this is what this man. There you go. So do y'all ride together?
It's the homie. I haven't really seen you in a hot minute.
Nah, this my dope, man. Keep doing y'all thing, man.
Yeah.
Shit, man. Hey, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this probably one of my favorite cars right here. This man got butterfly doors. He just had the. Dang, bro. That mud clean, man.
Appreciate it.
That man got this blue and clean. This blue and clean too. Hey, we gonna get our car like this, man. Alright, we made it here, but I I don't know. We gonna see, bro. There's a few people here. There's a few people here, man. Ooh. There's some cars out here. But it's just one entrance, so if the cops come, we're fucked. We're fucked if the cops. Mama Rabbit. We got a few people out here, bro. Oh my god. Oh, clean up. Oh, you gotta see the that mud clean up. Huh? I can't even do that.
You got a nice car, you ain't hitting that. You're the guy that knows how to fucking spin. What's up, YouTube? I got a YouTube channel. Yeah. Let me see your YouTube channel. What's up?
Yo. You got IG? Yeah.
Are you on the page?
Yeah, that's it.
Maybe singing Shallow Dennis. What is your YouTube? Oh shit.
That gray one? The most clean.
You got suicide. Do us a little burnout.
I can't. Bro, this ground is ass.
No, it spins.
I can't. I would, but I'm gonna chill for right now. I know there's gonna be another Addy. I'm gonna roam around.
Alright.
I might park somewhere. I don't know. But I'm gonna see y'all though.
Alright.
But yeah, man. Right now, bro, we just chilling, man. We just gonna chill at the meet and see how it is, and I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes.
Hey, swing it.
Everybody telling me this. These niggas want me to swing it so bad, bro. Look at this dude. He could.
6.2 million subscribers. We're famous.
You're gonna make us famous,
You're
gonna make us famous.
Yes. I won't let me get more people in this one.
Let's go, bro. Can you rev it for the one time? Rev it.
I can rev it. Oh, let him rev it. I'm the rev competition.
We're famous now, bro. He's gonna shoot flames out there.
Let me see him.
You gonna post all that on TikTok?
Yeah, YouTube and shit too.
Oh shit. Can you make sure you blur my face though?
Yeah.
Alright, what about me?
I got you. If y'all want to blur out y'all face, I got you. Yeah, tell them to rev.
I just might wreck or something. Why would I chase a bitch? I can go chase a check or something. Mr. Beat the road, 2,000 on a coat. Stepping on it. I'm Mr. Rainforest. I'm Mr. Anger. I'm Mr. Pot Faker. I'm Mr. Pot Scraper.
Yo, W cameraman. Yes, sir. All right, man. Listen, man. Made it to the car meet. Beautiful young woman herself. Alright, we finna just vlog the cars, man. Like, damn. We gonna walk around this bitch. Look at these motherfuckers. We just gonna walk around this bitch. See what? Wait, walk up there. Let's see. Damn. I'm gonna tell niggas to rev that bitch. Huh? Yeah. Damn. Somebody car going crazy. I don't know where my friend at. You ever been? This is one of these chill car meets. It's not like one of them dope ones. And then we got the. Shout out. That might clean up. Look, man, these are cars. That might clean, man. Ooh. Yeah. Yes, sir. Ooh. Hey, red that mud. Red that mud, red that mud. Oh yeah, we got some nice cars. This mud look nice. Hey, rev that mud. Hey, rev that mud, rev. Yeah. Come on, Mustang, come on. Mustang, you gonna rev it? Come on, bruh. You gotta do something, bruh. Come on. Oh my. Yeah, try to get in a rev it. Oh. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Nah, he ain't gonna do it. Oh, let's go. Chad, I don't know what the hell this is. This man. That's how one nigga does. Look at everybody else. I don't even know what done to it. I ain't gonna. This nigga got the plate inside this. Damn. Oh. These nigga.